There are many ways to decorate a room, from hanging artwork to painting your walls. But there is another possibility that adds amazing ambiance and elegance: our classic half columns. This gorgeous set comes in 3 elements: the shaft, which is featured in both a smooth and in a fluted design. At the bottom is our base with a clean classic design, and at the top, 3 very different capital pieces to choose from. Now, before I go over the details of each, let's take a look at how half columns in general can transform a room. This master bath is a great example. Even though the half column you see here is not load-bearing, it conveys a strong, luxurious presence, the classic design projecting out into the room and adding great personality. In contrast, we also feature flat columns, also called pilasters, great for framing mirrors and doorways, which in similar fashion add fantastic design to your walls. Both the half columns and pilasters are made from the same resilient polyurethane, which is weather resistant, so they're perfect for exterior applications like you see here. Now let's take a closer look at this half column from top to bottom. As we mentioned, the capital comes in 3 styles: a classic clean design, Ionic scroll, and Corinthian. One neat feature of these capitals is that they are open at the top, so you can add lighting inside to cast a warm, elegant glow on the walls above. Next, we have the prominent shaft, which, as we mentioned earlier, comes in both a smooth and fluted design, both measuring 79 inches in length. The smooth shaft is slightly tapered, measuring 12 inches in diameter at the bottom and 11 inches at the top. The fluted shaft is uniform, with a 12-inch diameter throughout the full length of the shaft. You'll also notice that these shafts are hollow, and it might seem to make sense to use 2 of them if you plan to cover over a structural element like a pole. But for best results in this case, order one of our full columns instead. We can cut it in half for you as an additional service, so you can create a seamless piece. And finally, our base comes in this one classic style and adds a strong foundational presence to the half column's overall appearance. So remember, when you're enhancing the look of a room, to consider a design element that is far less typical than adding color or paintings to your walls. Half columns have a unique and unforgettable look that create the perfect finishing touch.